flower and just like this flower. And how they grow, you know, if you put water and if you first put soil and then put the seed inside, then and put some water on the ground, then they will fly. This is now they're doing this. I might show you the more. Flowers. So let's take one. If you want one, I'll give you now. Sorry, but I can take it out of. See, if you want clip, like this. With the clip. So I'm going to do like just like how they have the river look. So I want to show you everything. So here is so much space. And then I'll come back to show the public. No. So that's why these are same kind of flowers. And this one are different. Can you see this? So this, can you see this one and this one's differences? Yes, you can see. Because this is sprouting like this. They're sprouting like this. Because these are different kind of flowers. So much water want to feel that, then come to my house. I'm just drawing the sun. So these are also flowers. They live together. So and how they grow means you keep soil under and then you put the seed and then you put some water every day and that will take. So this is for subscribe. If somebody subscribes, they want this one to put here. And if you like for this one, that one I should keep here. How much should this or this? I'll get bigger likes. It should be bigger likes. Yeah. This one or this one. So like this for this one, and subscribe. So these are crunchy fruit and these are Chamanti. These are different kind of flowers. petals. See how beautiful the colors are. What? If you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Wait.